Hi, this is Vanessa. Today's tutorial is on the cable 6 front and cable 6 back stitches. So you'll need some yarn and you need needles. I'm using 2 double-pointed needles. Okay, and you'll need a cable needle. This is what it looks like, or something to hold your stitches. So let's start with the cable 6 front, and these are worked over 6 stitches. So step 1, you want to slip 3 stitches off of your needle, and then step 2, you want to place the cable needle in the front of your work, and that's why it's called cable 6 front. Okay, step 3, you want to knit 3 stitches from your regular needle. Now the final step, step 4, you want to knit the 3 stitches on the cable needle. So I will knit them directly off of the cable needle. If you like, you can slide them back onto your regular needle and knit it from your regular needle. All right, let's do that again. Slip 3 onto your cable needle. So slip 3 stitches. And you want to place it in the front of your work. And then you want to knit 3 stitches from your regular needle. And finally, you want to knit the 3 stitches from your cable needle. All right, that's how you knit the cable 6 front stitch, which is a left leaning cable. All right, let's work the cable 6 back, which is also worked over 6 stitches. So the first thing you want to do, it's pretty similar. You want to slip 3 stitches onto your cable needle. Now the difference is you're going to place the cable needle in the back of your work this time. So that's what the cable 6 back means. So you're placing it in the back. Now you want to knit 3 stitches from your regular needle. Okay, now you want to knit the 3 stitches from your cable needle. Okay, let's do that one more time. Slip 3 stitches onto your cable needle. Okay, so now you want to place the cable needle in the back of your work. So here it is in the back. Okay, so now you're going to knit 3 stitches from your regular needle. And finally, you want to knit the 3 stitches from your cable needle. All right, now you've completed both cable 6 front and cable 6 back. So let's take a look. Now if you look down here on the bottom, that's where you did the cable 6 front, and it leans towards the left. The cables are leaning to the left, and up here for the cable 6 back, the cables are leaning towards the right. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.